Dry Duck was born out of a commitment to elevate rugged apparel to a new level of performance, comfort, and quality craftsmanship. All of our garments are designed with the specific needs of the active worker and outdoor enthusiast in mind. Behind every Dry Duck garment is a devoted team of design experts creating the best and most exciting apparel. Through features like our proprietary fabrics and finishes, you will enjoy a level of rugged durability unlike any other. So whether you're facing rain, wind, or the toughest of elements, Dry Duck has you covered. Discover a full range of apparel and headwear with products that are ready for any active lifestyle. Dry Duck. Get out there.